If you're starting a site and these three hosts dominate the budget space, which one should you pick from them? Because they're built for very different needs. Let's begin with Bluehost, which we just recently reviewed. It's the entry-level pick. For $2.95 a month, you get a free domain for the first year. I think that's annually because it says that it's $3.95 a month. So what do you get? You get a free domain for the first year, SSD storage, Cloudflare, CDN, and a 24/7 support. It's quite beginner friendly and officially recommended by WordPress, but the prices do jump quite a bit after the intro term. And users often complain about slow support and performance hiccups when the traffic grows. Next, let's move on to Hostinger, which on the other hand is the cheapest of the three, starting at around $2.49. You get fast, light-speed servers, free email, and you get a custom dashboard that's easy to use. It's also got a strong uptime for the price. The trade-off, renewal prices climb here too. And the customer support is mostly live chat, fine for simple issues, but slow when things get quite technical. Then there's SiteGround. SiteGround is $2.99 a month and it renews at $17.99. It's pricier, but you do get premium features. Google Cloud infrastructure, fast site speeds, daily backups, and excellent support that users have raved about. The catch? SiteGround's renewal price is the highest of the three, so it's best for serious projects rather than bare-bones blogs. Real users on Reddit say that Bluehost works if you just need something simple. Hostinger is great for budget builds as well, and SiteGround is worth it if you value speed and reliable support over price. Bottom line, definitely pick Bluehost for no-fuss beginners, Hostinger for the lowest cost, and SiteGround if you want performance that just scales with you, but you gotta pay for it. So which one are you leaning towards? Drop it in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next video.